Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your history with watch history and search history on YouTube on your phone. This is going to work the same for any device, Samsung, Apple, whatever it is on every device. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to click on your YouTube app, load that, make sure you're logged in, and then you're going to want to click on the top right hand corner where your profile picture is. Then you're going to want to go to the bottom there, you can see the settings, click on settings. And then you're going to want to scroll down just a little bit until you get to this section here where it says history and privacy. You've got these 4 options that you're going to need to do here. First of all, clear watch history. Click there, it says clear watch history, and clear it. Watch history cleared, and then you want to clear search history. Click on it again. This comes up here, click clear search history. And then the 2 ones below it, you want to pause search history and pause the watch history too, both of them there. So that means the search history, whatever videos you're watching, won't appear anymore on the YouTube, and obviously before with a clear. So basically if you go into like your settings here, or like onto your channel or whatever, you won't be able to see what videos you watched before, and in the future you won't be able to see them anymore. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the videos or playlists on screen to see more videos like this. But that's it for now. See you in the next video.